Okay, moving on. A company assembles drills using components from two sources. Goodbye supplies the components for 85% of the drills, whilst Amart supplies the components for the rest. It is known that 3% of components supplied by Goodbye are faulty and 6% of those supplied by Amart are faulty. Represent this information on a tree diagram. Good old tree diagram. Okay, so firstly, the first choice is between suppliers. Two items that we have could either come from Goodbye or Amart. Okay, second choice or decision to be made is whether or not these items are faulty. I'll just go with quality of the item. And I'll go with faulty versus not faulty. Faulty, not faulty. Okay, tree diagram's been set up. Let's get some probabilities on here. Probability that is Goodbye, 0.85. Probability is Amart, it's the complement, 0.15. 3% of Goodbye are going to be faulty, 0.03, and its complement. 6% from Amart, and its complement. Okay, so I represented that on a tree diagram. Before I even move on, let me complete the tree diagram, which needs these statements at the end. So the probability GF, probability of G F dash, probability of AF, probability of A F dash. Okay, and just multiplying across on the calculator. Okay, and those are all of our probabilities. And a quick calculator check. Make sure that they all add up to 1. It does make sense. A quick sense check. Which of those would I expect to be the largest? Well, 0.85 is the largest out of these branches, and the follow-on largest branch is the 0.97. So just quickly, I'm quite confident with those values that I've got. Which one would I expect to be the smallest? I'd expect it to be Amart and then 40. And that is the smallest out of these probabilities. A quick sense check shouldn't take more than 2 to 5 seconds. Happy with that. Ready to move on. Okay, an assembled drill bit is selected at random. Find the probability that the drill is not faulty. All right. This is the benefit of me producing all of these calculations before. It makes everything a lot swifter from now. Okay, so the probability that it's not faulty, the probability that it's not faulty is going to equal probability that it came from Goodbye and was not faulty, and the probability it came from Amart and was not faulty. So those two things added together, and we're looking at 0.8245. Final answer, 0.9655. Okay, so a well-structured tree diagram, all of the probabilities, and obviously combining the correct ones at the end should be worth all of your marks.